Hey friends! Welcome back. I'm really glad you're here because today we are talking about something that silently steals your time, your focus, and your energy. Yes, I'm talking about Instagram, Reels, and endless scrolling. If you've ever opened your phone for just 5 minutes and ended up losing an hour without realizing it, this video is for you. So, stay with me till the end, and I promise you'll see things differently. Let's be honest. You open Instagram for just 5 minutes. You tell yourself, I'll just watch one reel. I deserve a little break. But that one reel turns into 2, then 10, then 30, and suddenly an hour has vanished. Your eyes feel tired. Your brain feels numb. And yet, you keep scrolling. You think you're relaxing, but the truth is, you're slowly losing control over your mind. You feel like you're doing nothing, yet somehow, you're exhausted. That's the trap of endless scrolling. It tricks your brain into thinking it's busy, but in reality, it's running away from focus and growth. Every time you scroll, your brain gets a tiny hit of dopamine. Dopamine is that chemical that makes you feel good when you achieve something, when you win, when you succeed. But here, it's fake. It's a short-term pleasure, a tiny rush, nothing meaningful. And your brain starts craving it more and more. Soon, it doesn't want to work on anything hard or important. It wants instant entertainment, constant updates, and endless reels. And that's how Instagram starts controlling you instead of the other way around. Think about it for a second. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I'll wake up early. I'll study. I'll work on my dreams. I'll focus on my health. I'll create something meaningful tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Instead, you open your phone again, scroll through reels, like some posts, comment, and before you know it, another hour has disappeared. You're telling yourself you'll be productive, but the habit of scrolling slowly eats away at your time, your energy, and your focus. Scrolling kills your focus gradually. Not overnight, not in a week, but slowly, silently. You watch other people's lives, their vacations, their successes, their perfect moments, and you compare them with yours. You feel behind. You feel like everyone else is moving forward while you stay stuck. But here's the hard truth, my friend. While you are watching others live, your own life is quietly slipping away. You're not lazy, you're distracted. Your dreams aren't dead, they're just waiting for you to take control of your attention again. Your focus is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The more you waste it on mindless scrolling, the weaker it gets. Remember how it felt when you were younger, when you could sit for hours reading, drawing, learning, or building something without touching your phone. That power, that ability to focus deeply, is still inside you. It's not lost. It's just buried under endless distractions. And the good news? You can rebuild it, one small step at a time. Here's how you start. Next time you feel like opening Instagram, pause for a few seconds. Ask yourself, why am I opening this app? Am I learning something, creating something, or am I just escaping boredom, discomfort, or silence? Most of the time, the answer will be that you're running away. That's okay. Everyone does it. But the moment you realize it, you gain control. Replace even 5 minutes of scrolling with something meaningful. Read a page from a book. Write one line. Step outside. Stretch. Meditate. Do one thing that grows you, that builds you, that moves you toward your dreams. Start small, but start today. Every small victory rebuilds your focus. Every time you resist the urge to scroll, you're training your brain to stay sharp, calm, and productive. Slowly, day by day, you'll notice a difference. Your mind will feel lighter, your focus will return, and your energy will rise. Remember, it's not about quitting forever. It's about controlling your time. It's about being the master of your own mind. You can watch reels, you can enjoy social media, but you decide when and how. You are in charge, not the app, not the algorithm. So friends, here's my challenge for you. Put your phone down for just 30 minutes today. Do something productive, something that moves you closer to your dream. You'll feel the difference immediately. And if you want more videos like this, videos that help you improve your focus, productivity, and life. Hit the like button, comment below your thoughts, and subscribe. Share your small wins, your struggles, and let's grow together as a community. Scrolling kills your focus, but awareness rebuilds it. You have the power to choose. Stop wasting your life in someone else's feed and start building your own story. Time is slipping, my friend. Take control today and start creating the life you want. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Don't give it away to endless reels.